Sudokuan is a new Filipino combat sports and originate here in the Philippines. Created by passion, inspired by all Filipino martial arts sport athletes. In Sudokuan founded last 2022 and Sudokuan founded by our Filipino hero, by our 4 times Wushu Combat World Champion, by our 2 times Asian Games gold medalist, by our 2 times Wushu Combat Sambo Combat gold medalist, and by our former Canadian National Wushu Combat head coach Rene Catalan. Sudokuan composed by boxing, wrestling, and judo. Sudokuan mean Su is suntok, Do is wrestling, Kwan is a martial arts, and Sudokuan is good for kids, teen, and adults. If you want to learn Sudokuan, visit our training center at 3rd floor, 4008 Yagi Street, Tejeros, Makati.